Well, Advocate Barry Roux says there is nothing sinister about information deleted from DAMP Glynis Breytenbach's laptop computer. Breytenbach was back in court on day 2 of her trial. Roux told the court Breytenbach made a full disclosure to the NPA about documents concerning Execu Reach and Kumba, which were available in full at the Kimberley High Court. The fourth witness to the stand, William Gloucester, an internal investigator at the NPA in the Integrity Management Unit, had confirmed information on the computer had been backed up. Breytenbach and her attorney, Gerard Wagner, are accused of defeating the ends of justice and contravening the National Prosecuting Authority Act. Yesterday, the prosecution levelled 6 charges against her and her co-accused, Wagner. The former prosecutor's trial is set down for 4 days in the Pretoria Magistrates Court. ANN7 reporter Michael Apple gives us the details on the trial throughout the day. Of course, we do have Michael joining us now via phone line this time. Very good afternoon to you, Michael. Essentially, what has unfolded on day 2 in the court?
Good afternoon, Shantae, and to the viewers. Well, a much busier day 2 than the start of the trial. We've had 3 witnesses take the stand so far, so that's 5 in total then for the state. The third witness to the stand for the state was a man called Denton Serobatse, who's the executive manager of the Information and Systems Management Unit. So this is basically, you could think of it as the IT division of a company. And he was asked in detail about the day that he went to Breytenbach's office to go and get this laptop, to clone it or to duplicate it, or to replicate whatever was on it and to duplicate that, and then to look at what was on the NPA servers so that the NPA could see if anything had been deleted. And he spoke about arriving at Breytenbach's office and finding a man who was not from the NPA. He was a private sort of IT forensic specialist who said he had Breytenbach's permission to mirror image the laptop. And this is where Advocate Roux asked, did you chase the man away? And he said, no, we did not chase him away. He said he had the authority from Breytenbach. And of course, Breytenbach, her version of events would be that she got that authority from the head of the Integrity Management Unit, and that is Prince Mokatedi, who is currently on the stand. There was a number of meetings that took place, but the one that Advocate Barry Roux in the court seems to be most concerned about is one that took place on the 7th of February 2012 between Breytenbach herself, the head of the Integrity Management Unit, Prince Mokatedi, and then Billy Gloucester, who's an internal investigator. He had testified to the fact that both Hercules Wasserman, who worked in the Integrity Management Unit, as well as the head of that unit, Prince Mokatedi, had agreed that an external IT expert, could clone and mirror image that laptop, and it was agreed that it would be an external person because Breytenbach said she was afraid that the NPA, if they did it, might plant something on her laptop. So Mokatedi now on the stand saying no, he never agreed that an independent person would be able to clone that laptop. It was supposed to be somebody appointed by the NPA. So it's a bit of back and forth at the moment, but the state is due to call their new witness after lunch. It's unclear who exactly that's going to be.
Definitely. Thank you very much for taking us through day 2 of the Breytenbach